Guys, today I am going to do a science experiment. Hey, wait a minute. Did I see science experiment? Yeah? Hey, wait a minute. I love science. Okay, whatever. First, I'll tell you what these things are. This is color and this is glitter. These are colorful balls and this is soda and this is vinegar. Okay, whatever. I'm going to add some color. I hope it's not some kind of water. Oh. Okay, I add some color. Now I'm going to add some glitter with the help of this. Now I put some glitter in this. Well, I know that you can't see it. So, that's because it's stuck. Well, I'll next use these colorful balls. Now I'm going to put it in the vinegar. Yeah. Now I put all of those things into the table. That's because be careful when I put this soda. It's going to just come out like a volcano, I think. Wow! Did you just see what happened? It's extremely cool. It just looks like lava. It's hot. I think it really is lava. Oh dear. I don't think it's going to be a lava lake down there. And my floor is not going to be... My floor is lava! Hey, wait a minute. I have the power to do water. My superhero name. What is that? I have water power. I can make all the lava go. Good. It's gone. Next experiment. Okay. We have 3 things. 4 pencils, color water and a Ziploc bag. Okay. Now I have to put this color here. Here. Oh. Now I poured all of that color water. Now I'm going to stitch these pencils. And I am going to do a magic with all of them. See? The water did not come out. See? One bit did not come out. See? This is my magic. No other kid could do this. See? See? This happened to the same. It happened to the same. Only 2 more are there. See? Isn't this cool? Now this is the last one, the 4th one. See? It's super duper cool and the best. Well, see, whoa, my magic. To remove these pencils. See? It's going. this experiment, I poured some water in the jar and the oil at the top. The oil and water did not mix, so I put some paint in it. Let's see what happens. Look, this one went red. That one. Wow. I did put some oil. You see, color and oil will not mix. Well, let's see black. Something. Oh. This color and oil is not mixing, but when the color is coming like this, water is here, so they both will mix. If you want to watch more, subscribe.